Hello, and welcome to Network America's taking a closer look at LANDesk 9.5. Today we're going to look at a few of the new features that have been added. One of them is Console Inspector. From the menu, you select Inspect. Here we have some general information about the device, the primary owner, the last time it was scanned. We can take a look at any tasks that have been run on that device, software distributions or patching jobs. We could take a look at services to see what's running. And finally, we can look at processes. So maybe a user calls up and says, hey, I'm having trouble with this, and you can take a look and say, well, we need to stop this process. You can certainly do that very easily from here. The next thing we're going to look at is the HTML Remote Control. This is new, and this is the only remote control that's available for Macintosh devices. Once you log in, you'll be authenticated, and it opens up the standard remote control session that we're all used to. Some of the features are we could select the keyboard, we could select some of these features across the top if we needed to. We could zoom in if we needed to. We could display different monitors. If it had multiple monitors, we could switch between monitors. Clipboard, if we needed to copy something back and forth, we could do that. And then we have settings, so if we wanted to lock out the keyboard and mouse so the end user can't help us, we can certainly do that. We got performance settings. Maybe we need to suppress the wallpaper because there's too much going on. Most of the features that we have in remote control are here as well. We have the device reboot, and we can go ahead and exit if we like. The next thing we're going to take a look at is agent settings. This is new, and it's not to be confused with agent configuration. When you do an agent configuration, scan and repair settings configuration or something like that, all of those submenus are now populated into this one area here. Let's take a look at the new LANDesk Antivirus, Kaspersky Standard Endpoint Agent 8.0. We're not going to spend a lot of time looking at this because it is very full featured. You'll be able to select and configure the devices just about any way you like. You could schedule updates. This is a nice feature, so you can schedule the updates for devices. Maybe it's a laptop and you want to go ahead and tell it to go to the internet first or only, and you could also tell it to fall back to the core server in the event that they can't get to the internet. You can configure the scans, you can run reports, you can do just about anything that you'd like to manage your devices and protect them. Well, that's a quick look at some of the new features in LANDesk 9.5. Thank you, and tune in again.